You finish a bottle of wine, you've collected some corks, but what exactly to do with them? Amy Latta says to turn them into a festive decor piece, and we have more patriotic project ideas for getting crafty this morning as we move into summer. You have two more crafts for us, Amy, different takes on fireworks. The first one is with wine corks. That sounds fun. Tell us about this one.
Sure, this one is really simple and you don't have to have any special skills to do it. The only materials you need are wine corks, fabric, and cocktail picks. And I just got these on Amazon, so these little patriotic festive picks. And all you're going to do is just cut scrap pieces of patriotic fabric to fit around your cork. And once you do, you're going to hot glue it in place. And then you're going to use a sharp object. This is the part where if you're crafting with kids, mom or dad's going to want to supervise, but you're going to get like an ice pick or some other kind of really sharp object to poke a hole through the top of the cork. And then you're just going to put your cocktail pick down inside. And if you want to glue it in place, you can, but I found that it was tight enough that I didn't have to glue mine in place. Then you're just going to trim the top of that pick to create the little sparkler on top. You can leave it as long as you like. And you have these really fun and festive little firecrackers that you can sit around literally anywhere. They can sit individually or you can tie them together in a little set of three, however you want to do it. But they're just so simple and fun. And if you don't happen to be a wine drinker, you can find these corks at craft shops or online. You can get a big pack of them so you can make a whole bunch.
Was actually my next question. I'm glad you said that because there are other crafts that use wine corks too, so you can, I'm sure, find them in stores. Now, the next one is fabric fireworks. Walk us through this.
Sure. So these are basically like little pillows, but we turn them into firecrackers and they're really simple to create. Again, you're just going to grab your favorite patriotic fabrics and each firecracker takes two different kinds, two patterns. So you're going to cut the pieces for the top and for the bottom, and I have all the measurements for that on my website. So free pattern download if you want to create these. And you're just going to sew those pieces together to create the front and the back. Sew around them, leaving a little area so that when you turn it, you can add the stuffing. And then you're just going to stuff it until it's full, hand stitch it shut, and you're going to add a little piece of twine to the top to be the fuse of the firecracker. And I actually have measurements on my site for 3 different sizes of these because again, you can display them individually, you can make just one and put it wherever. But I kind of liked having them. I have mine in a little basket in the foyer, these 3 all together. I just thought the different sizes added some visual interest and were really fun and made a bigger decoration. So I've got 3 different sizes that you can create.
Is awesome, and as always, Amy, anything that you do just adds festive decor to our homes each time you're on. Remind us of your website so that people can use these ideas.
Sure, you can come and find me at amylattacreations.com, and I'm also at Amy Latta Creations on social media, but you can find all the patterns and instructions, step-by-step tutorials, as well as some links to where you can find the supplies. All of that will be on the website.
We appreciate your time. We'll see you again, Amy. Thanks.
Thank you.